Time frame alignment. Are you having a problem where you're entering the trade on a 1 minute time frame? Market stops you out, market goes your direction, hits your take profit. You enter on a 5 minute, market stops you out, eventually hits your take profit. 15 minutes stops you out, hourly stops you out, right? Etc. Right? So today we're talking about time frame alignment. And my brother right over here had a problem with it. He said, hey bro, I'm getting stopped out at a 1 minute time frame, then price moves my direction. And yeah, let's get to it. Time frame alignment is very easy, probably the easiest concept out of every concept out there. And they said that, well, every time frame is moving on their own pace, so they're not really, known to be connected to each other, right? But thank God somebody did back testing. Somebody backed it over, got data over here and give us the answer to it for free, right? So let's go over it, right? So now let's go to the charts. And it's just right over here. I think it's kind of lagging. I'm not gonna lie. Right over here. So if the time frame alignment is very easy, right? So if you're using a hourly CRT or key level or PD array or building block in the hourly time frame or CRT, as I said before, I don't know why I'm repeating myself. You're going to be going to the 5 minute time frame and looking for your model. So a 5 minute model, 5 minute unicorn model, 5 minute fair value gaps, and you must fair value gap cannot only be one fair value gap, by the way. You must have a context to it, right? So if you're using the 15 minute time frame, if you're using the 4 hour CRT, 4 hour key level, as I always do, right? And 4 hour time frame is very important for intraday trading. If you guys didn't know, a quick little sauce to you guys. You're gonna be looking for a 15 minute time frame and looking for a 15 minute model 1, unicorn model, everything you're looking for is gonna be a 15 minute time frame. After you get the CRT, the key level, or building block, they are the same thing, right? And you're gonna be looking, if you're using a daily time frame, you're gonna be looking at that 1 hour time frame for all of your entries. If you're using a weekly, you're gonna be looking to that 4 hour time frame, looking for all of your entries. If you're using a monthly, monthly CRT key level, you're gonna be looking at the daily time frame for your entries, right? So this is very easiest concept. Thank God somebody did this for us, because I'm not going to spend my hard-earned life onto this for the couple years, right? I'm not gonna do all that, right? And thank God, we paid for mentorship and we got it. I paid for it and I got the answer to it, right? So that right there. And as well, I'm going to give you guys an example of today. Perfect example of today was the time frame alignment. And why is time frame alignment so important to you guys? It helps you guys prevent unnecessary loss, helps you get in the right time frame rather than getting the lower time frame. And I suggest you guys never look at the 1 minute time frame unless all of your conditions are met, unless you have your key level, your CRT, if you use CRT, but people who does your CRT, your everything, you all have all of your criteria to, and you're ready to execute, go to the 1 minute time frame. And barely anybody goes to the 1 minute time frame. And another one I missed out about is if you're using a 15 minute, right? 15 minute CRT key level, right? Any of them, you're gonna be looking at the 1 minute time frame to execute. So right there, it's the extra one. Forgot about that. I apologize. And now let's give you guys a perfect example of today. And market is still going our way. We missed a trade. I learned from this trade, so I didn't miss shit. Hey, I did an exchange on this trade. That's all I care about. I did an exchange about not making money, but guess what I did? I exchanged it for knowledge. I fixed my CRT S&T concept, which I love. I would rather lose the trade and learn that. I'd rather lose and learn rather than just learn it, right? Because the pay you gotta it costs something, right? And today it was a free of cost. Thank God, man. So let's go to give you guys the time frame alignment. So we had our key level on the 4-hour time frame. And by the way, if you're using CRT, never trade a CRT without a key level. So today you could have today my key level came from where? My key level came from three. My building block came, my PD array, my key level came from the 4-hour time frame. You can see 4-hour chart right over here. It came from what time frame? The 4-hour time frame. You can see right here, 4-hour time frame. Make sure you pay attention to this, not that. It's the same thing as well to here, right? We had our 4-hour key level. Same thing happened here. Same take profit here, right? You can see our key level came from where? The 4-hour time frame. So now we're going to be scanning down to the 15-minute time frame to execute, right? Now we're going down to the 15-minute time frame. What did we have over here? A 15-minute model 1. So we're looking for execution here. You could look for 15 model 1. You could look for a fair value gap, time to the fair value gap, push up higher. You could have looked for a unicorn model sweep. Unicorn model was not presented here, but we did our execution entry, which was what? Model 1. I don't take nothing else but model 1, right? So right there. And we as well use the hourly CRT. What CRT do we use? The hourly CRT high, and it was an 8 a.m. candle. You can see CRT high, CRT low. And if you guys are CRT traders, you would know about this. You align the 5 a.m. with the 8 a.m. candle, you would get better entries and yeah, etc. I'm not gonna give you guys too much info on that because it's not about that video yet. And yeah, just got a back test. You will find out easily. You'll find out easily, but it is a little knowledge, right? So in the 5-minute time frame, once we got the sweep of liquidity is the actual legitimate low. Market did what? Give us the model 1. You could have entered out of this model 1 right over here. Very, very easy. We use the 4-hour time frame. You could have gone on a 15-minute time frame, right? We got it in both, right? If you want to use the hourly CRT, you got it right over here. But both of them requires a key level. Make sure you use the key level. And our key level was 3 options. Option 1, rejection block. Option 2, auto block. Market taps into auto block multiple times, bouncing out of it, tap into it, bounce it out of it, tap into it one more time, bounce it out of it, right? Respecting it all the time. Second thing we had was a sweep of liquidity, which is this is right over here. When you guys are doing a sweep of liquidity, that gets ran through, right? Like this, it still counts as a key level, by the way. But sometimes you gotta be careful. This is why I don't like to use this. I like to get closing above it, and therefore it to count as a key level. But sometimes if it's close to it, it usually counts as a key level. So this pretty close to it, it counts as a key level. You could have gone for this rejection block as a key level as well. You scale down to the 15-minute time frame. Entry there. Scale down to the 5-minute time frame. If there's an Ali as well, by the way, there's an Ali as well. So I remixed my CRT in advance, right? I got my CRT from my mentor, then remix it to my own play style, and it works out in my favor, right? In a 5-minute time frame, soup, close above, model 1 entry, just below this, worked out in our favor as well. It's currently going to the take profit 2. We did not catch the trade, unfortunately. Because I was waiting, I thought I picked the wrong, I thought I didn't have my key level, but I already did. But yeah, we learn from this, right? We're learning, exchanging is the best thing. So now if you go to the 1-minute time frame, you would have definitely gotten stopped out here. You can see on the 1-minute time frame, if you would have entered this on a 1-minute time frame, what would have happened right over here, right? What would have happened in a 1-minute time frame? You're looking to enter here, market, market comes down here, right? You enter out this bullish candle. Some people do enter out this. This is a super, by the way. This is total super right over here. You enter out this bullish candle, sets up somewhere below here. You get stopped out, right? And this is like I don't see any entries here, but yeah, you did get stopped out over here. Market goes your way, right? So this is a perfect example of time frame alignment. And on my time frame, I don't have no entries here. I do have an entry which played out, but it's more often than not, it's not gonna go in your way. Trust me, I did this before. I tried it before. 2 times, like you're gonna get lucky. You sounds like this is, you could have an advantage tree. You are gonna get stopped out most of the time. Trust me, most of the time you're gonna get stopped out. So don't even go for that, cause and you guys know, human mind cannot control too much losses. So be careful. Yes, you might make more profits, but those losses gonna add up, right? Not add up by making you lose more money, but those pathology mind. It's trading is all about pathology. The human mind cannot accept too much losses, right? Cannot keep on saying red, 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 then huge green, red, 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 right? Because the human mind cannot accept it. I'm not gonna go too farther in that. But time frame alignment right there. Now you go to the 4 hour time frame over here. What do we have? A key level, right? For our key level is a order block. How does an order block? Soup, close above, order block, tap into a couple times. Now we go to the hourly time frame. There's an hourly time frame align with it. Hourly time frame does align with it. So now we go to 15 time frame, right? You can see on the 15-minute time frame, we're looking for our model 1. Our model 1 that soups out liquidity. This one super liquidity. This one could have been this. This one soup that is other liquidity could have been this, right? Market never retraced. This is why I remixed my own CRT on the 5-minute time frame. Since we have the 8 a.m. candle aligning with the 5 a.m. candle, 5 a.m. is 4 hour CRT. At the end of the high or low, we're looking for a what? We're looking for a 5-minute, right? If it gets respected, we're not looking for it. We're looking for 15 minutes. But if it does get respected, in this case it did, we're looking for you to use this, right? You can see total soup, model 1, tap into it right before news. Boom, right? I would have not entered that trade too, because I was just trying to see, should I be entering before news or not, right? Very easy. Time frame alignment is very easy. Make sure you guys are entering the right time frame and don't get lost, brothers. Brothers and sisters, or whatever you guys are. Lock in. Very easy. Show my Discord. Free. Sometimes I share stuff that I don't share in social media just to make you guys more special. Free one-on-one session if you guys need it. If other people ask me about the free one-on-one session, I will host one for you guys. Free one-on-one session, free trade ideas from our professor, and plenty of more. Thank you for watching.